Everyone knows how important butterfly and bees are. Today, we're gonna learn a few facts about these creatures that keeps our society in place. More than 180,000 plant species, including 1,200 crop varieties, across the world depend on pollinators to reproduce, and the little creatures, like the bees and the butterflies, are well-known invertebrate pollinators. There are about 20,000 different species of bees in the world. Bees live in colonies that contain the queen bee, the worker bee, and the drone. The drone's only job is to mate with the queen. The queen's only job is to lay eggs. Bees store their venom in a sac attached to their stinger, and only female bees sting. That is because the stinger, called an ovipositor, is part of the female bee's reproductive design. Bees see all colors except the color red. That and their sense of smell help them find the flowers they need to collect pollen. Not only is pollen a food source for bees, but also some of the pollen is dropped in flight, resulting in cross-pollination. The relationship between the plant and the insect is called symbiosis. Bees have branched hairs that pick up pollen while they are feeding. Some bees have even developed basket-like structures on their hind legs that allow them to carry pollen. When a bee buzzes from flower to flower of the same species, grains of pollen are transferred to a flower's stigma, pollinating the plant. Unlike bees, butterflies can see the color red, so many of the flowers they are attracted to are colored bright red, pink, or purple. Similar to bees, butterflies can see light in the UV spectrum, and lots of the flowers that attract butterflies have areas that reflect UV light to guide the butterfly to the nectar. Butterflies are also lured to a flower by its fragrance. They use their feet to taste and need to land to feed. The flowers that often attract butterflies have larger landing pads near the source of nectar. Butterflies are complex creatures. Their day-to-day lives can be characterized by many activities. If you are observant, you may see butterflies involved in many of the activities. Butterflies are cold-blooded and cannot withstand winter conditions in an active state. One of many ways that butterflies can escape cold weather is by migrating to a warmer region. Some migrating butterflies, such as the painted lady and cabbage butterfly, fly only a few hundred miles, while others, such as the monarch, travel thousands of miles. Since both honeybees and butterflies survive on the fresh pollen and nectar found in fresh flowers, the reasons behind the decrease in their populations are closely related as a result of habitat loss, pesticides, diseases, and the negative effects of climate change. There are many reasons why butterflies and bees are important, both in their own right but also as quality of life indicators. As pollinators, they play an important role in the environment and sadly, their populations have been steadily declining. And here's how we can help them thrive. We have the power to help bees and butterflies in our own backyards by creating pollinator-friendly wildflower gardens. Take a closer look at seed paper and what flowers it grows. Avoid using pesticides in your garden and landscaping. Leave them alone, bees won't harm you if left unprovoked, and butterflies should never be captured. Buy local and eat more organic, pesticide-free foods to encourage healthy agriculture. Purchase local honey prepared by local beekeepers. Encourage your local council to implement pollinator-friendly policies and to maintain and enhance pollinator habitats. Attract butterflies to your yard with butterfly feeders. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for videos like this.